Welcome everyone to another Friday. I think it is Great Friday. I was on Nick's channel yesterday. I sold your dollar. I just want to make a pull. I would just want to make a quick update on that one. We have durable goods ahead of us. I'm going to see if that is going to have any impact on our trading. And then we've had a pullback on dollars. We're gonna walk through the psychology of that. But regardless, durable goods is enough to move the market slightly. It is a forward-looking indicator that is important to have a part of the forward-looking, but it's part of those that talks about like buying bulky things like sofas and cars and whatever. Are people in a position to do that? And then I'll revert back to normal doing meetings, because I have a lot of meetings today. So if you are here, welcome very much. And if you're not here, then glad to have you on the recordings. So just a bit of quick recap of what I'm looking at. I'm looking at Financial Juice. Financial Juice has told me that ECB's Nagel has said that the likelihood of a June cut is winning traction. No joke there, Sherlock. We had some Japanese yen CPI earlier today, ex food. It was coming in lighter. That is Japanese yen bearishness. I like that too. And then some German GDP comes in actually out of recession. That is great to see. A quarter at least. And then year over year is negative. Okay, fair enough. Great. Real estate sales out of UK is negative, though it is not linked to inflation. But it gives us a pointing pin of whatever direction the UK is currently going in at a small rate. Then we have retail sales out of Canada in a couple of trim, durable goods without defense and without transportation, and non-defense capital goods orders ex aircraft. Waller is going to speak a bit later. I'm not expecting him to say anything fantastic. I am slightly. Richard says nobody's spending money here. Yeah, probably is going to be the case. And then Michigan consumer sentiment, that thing on that screen, this one here, might do some trouble. That one has sent markets in whatever direction at the end of the day. So don't let that one be. So I have 15 minutes with you guys now, where we're going to go through the market. We're going to go through things. So if you have questions, please ask them, and then I will explain my process, explain what I'm doing. But whatever I'm talking about here is not financial advice whatsoever. I have been trading for some time. That doesn't mean that you will be able to do the same things. You have to figure out your own entry rules and whatever, because I can't tell you what will make you profitable, because we're all different people. So, dollar index went higher yesterday and have come down again. I don't like that. That is not what I want to see, but it is what it is, I guess. Can't really complain, but it is what it is. And if those of you who are here now, like asking, like, Ivan, how's your trading going? It is in the description, by the way. So for those who want to see how horrible I can trade, you're welcome. I'm not gonna give you anything positive on that one. But yeah, there is dollar index, and I don't have any jingle, but I probably should have a jingle here and a jingle there. Probably is going to jingle in the end, but let's see. Trading is not for the weak ones, and do not invest money you can afford to lose. Because I need these dollar index to go higher. That's the entire reason why we're here. Okay, come on. Did I? Okay, it says 30 on my phone. Where is financial juice? Financial juice has not said anything. Retail sales out of Canada is weak. Durable goods is stronger. Okay. Let's get some strength back in the dollar. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Dollar CAD is probably a good buy right now. Or is it? I'm on the wrong account. Crap. All right, that's good to see. Dollar CAD. Nope. Great. Yeah, that should let the dollar CAD going higher. Let me see if I can do something here. So where are we? So I think this is a great setup coming into like daily central. And then we also have weekly coming in a bit lower. Okay, fine, whatever. It is what it is, I guess. Do better next time. Somebody didn't show up for their meeting and apologizing because it's a holiday for Muslims. Fine, but do better. Where are we now? Okay, cool. That's my reaction, by the way. There's nothing to worry. I really want to talk to you people. I really want to talk to you. So don't leave me hanging when I give out free things because I really want to see. I want to help you. So okay, one less help. $4 CAD, if we can get back down to 136.85, that price there, that would be great. Or current price is also great. So I will look for continuation higher. Euro dollar is going lower. Australian dollar was going lower. Dollar CAD is now falling. Everything is fantastically horrible, just like how it's supposed to be. So, okay. So that didn't give us the necessary punch higher. That's always fun. Let me see again. Slightly higher. Everything is beating, so it should lead to dollar strength. But that doesn't mean that the market is going to agree with you. Hey. So let's have a little bit of discussion here. I really love the current price on euro dollar. 8 center pivot for next week. So I'm not going to add anything. I'm not going to do anything about it. But of course, going above 80, 108, 64 is like not really what I want to see. So, hi Sis. Hi Jeanette. Hi Ricard. So that's that. I think this is just a pullback to sell off, and if it's not, then whatevs. Then it is what it is. So let me clean up my chart a bit, sir and lady and gentlemen. So let me go do another euro dollar baby. That's a better thing. So I am expecting price to go down to 107.50. That is just a theory, hope, pray, whatever you want to call it. It is I think I have off today. Nothing really in particular that is interesting to my mind, but this current is nada. It is horrible. This means we're going to go higher again because this isn't falling off the top of the bricks. I want to see this, not that. So that's one thing. Let's go to Aussie. It's a better beat deal. I think that Aussie is going to go to 767 too. So I'm just going to say that to him, and then we can see it later alligators if he's right or wrong. Cool. So I see that this one has some potential to come higher. I'm not gonna say, oh, I don't want to, but I really want this to fall. But I would also really want to see 66.38. That's a bit of high, but not a higher high, not above that high. And then a continuation lower. Pound, I don't care about pound. Pound can do his own thing. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't. It's currently not giving me any vibes. New Zealand dollar, not giving me vibes either. Dollar CAD, okay. Small vibes. It did hit weekly target, so that's a worry that was the peak. So if you feel like, it's enough move at the moment, it is currently falling 26 pips. Enough is enough fall, then yeah, it is. Getwise asks, what about pound dollar? Pound dollar to me is range bound, not really moving. It is both two currencies who are strong at the same time or weak at the same time, whatever that is. It isn't going according to how I want things to go. And if you're wondering how I want things to go, it is practically Russ, what is happening on dollar yen? Is something happening on dollar yen? But yeah, to make it up a bit, sold 66.92. What is 6.9 euro shit? BOJ targets is 150 and below in June due to political pressure. Do you think they're going to start? Do you think they're going to start pressuring yen to do it? That's interesting. Okay. Oh, wheat. What? Okay, I'll go back to dollar yen. I'm just going to look at this one. You said 692. You what? Sold. Okay. Enjoy that one. Dollar yen. I really desperately want to have an entry on these dollar yen pairs, but I'm so afraid. Oh, look at that. Oh, it hurts. It hurts to see making new higher highs because that's what I wanted to do, but then I don't do it because I feel like we need to go much lower, and then it doesn't go much lower. It just continues higher. I want to see that, not this. So that's weekly target, I guess. And I guess we won't come back down to central next week either, which is here. So my hope, my prayer, if Pope France can hear me, I want price to come down to 169.88, please. Yeah, if dollar yen goes down to 150 to return higher, I'm all for it. All right, so let me go through what is currently happening on my account. I'm currently in loss on euro dollar. I sold 108.39 yesterday. I'm waiting for dollar CAD. I probably want to see a much lower price on dollar CAD before I do anything. Yeah, it is what it is, I guess. So yeah, it's all right, I guess. Could have been better, but so yeah, because this how quickly it went higher, I don't like it. So dollar yen, I'm going to make a deal here. if we can get dollar weakness against how I want things to do, down to 56.50 and then higher, with a reversal of some sort on Monday. So I'm thinking London Open buy on dollar yen. That doesn't mean I'm going to buy on dollar yen. I'm going to look at dollar yen on London Open on Monday and thinking, hey, is this a good place to start? Secondly, pound yen coming down to 198, 199 something, 199, 198.90, and then higher on that said London Open, and New Zealand yen coming down to 95.67 and then go up from said, because I think this is just going to continue higher. Yen is going to continue falling. That's what I preach. That's what I believe. And I don't have anything else to say about that. That's just going to be the trip play going forward. And Aussie yen has 103.69 going higher. So other than that, it's very high trade. It is low risk. It doesn't break the bank if it goes whatever, because this pairs now can drop like 100 to 200 pips in a day or a moment or whatever, depending if Jesus comes back or if Ueda comes back to the table. It is incredibly weak because as we go higher, more and more people exit. So this is the amount of positions as we're going higher, and it becomes weaker and weaker and weaker and weaker and weaker, and then it does something like that. That's kind of what I'm expecting to happen. So I'm not hopeful, other than I'm just doing my job at this point. Yeah, I would love to see Russ. I would love. I said, give me. I will buy. I will. I will buy with my inheritance if I can get it to 150. But that's not what I really see, right? Zeus has tagged me and said, "What do you think, Evan? Euro dollar buy." Also, for all that matter, did we have a discussion about that previously? Isn't that trade that you won last time or something? Like I was like, I don't know about you though, but whatever. You do you, and I'm happy for you, kind of a thing. Or was that somebody else? I can't find it. It's a long time ago. Probably a long time ago then. Yeah, it was Jesus. Yeah, okay. How did it go around 12th of May? Did you hit your target there at 107.97? Should actually. You should have come back to me and said celebrated, but okay. I should have bought with you, but doesn't really matter. But yeah. Okay, cool. Great. Enjoy. To be honest with you. They might wait for Rita and Zoo to be back from the G7 meeting. Yeah. Also, they don't need to. They can just give them a phone call. But I would love to see that. So, yen's lower. Also, yen currency lower. It's still not the bottom. It's around the bottom. That is definitely not great to see. But it's close to a bottom. Continuation lower, whatever. Dollar, I wanted to strengthen, but it seems like that one took a downfall today again. I need to make some serious decisions here. Okay, euro dollar. We haven't made a new high yet, but that might, I'm just going to give you a warning, that might be closed out manually later. So don't be shocked if you see that in chat. So yeah, I am quite annoyed about that, but it is what it is. Okay, cool. Ivan, you should take it like like a hero. Okay. So, mentality. I think I was given a lot of good feedback on psychology yesterday on Nick. I still stand by what I said, meaning that you need to really nail down your trading. You need to really nail down your entry. You really need to nail down what you're thinking, how you're doing, when you're trading, as you see me, I'm in loss. I was in profit. I lost all my profit that I had from yesterday, most of it at least. Not happy about it, but it is what it is. I'm gonna let it go. And then if this is the bottom going higher, okay, I will not sell again, but it's just one trade. I really feel that currently it is not going dollar strength way. Okay, market is disagreeing with me. I will let it be at that. Yens are continuing to go higher. If they can do a much deeper pullback, that would be great. For me, I am not interested in gold. I can see people like, oh, this is the bottom. I think it's going to go higher from here. I am not convinced at the current moment of what the gold has given us of reversal. This is just a bottom. So that is not close to anything that I can call a reversal of trend, especially not when it has fallen so hard down. That needs for me to break above that one, for me to be even close to anything at all. But yeah, cool. All right, I have another meeting going on for me. I apologize for being just fair for 20 minutes, but I'll do better. We will do better. We will get there. Okay. So I've given you the talking points. I've given you what to look for. I've given you the pullback areas that we need to look for on Monday on yen pairs. Dollar pairs are a bit shaky boom boom. It's a bit, I don't like it at the moment. Dollar, Australian dollar, US dollar might be the best one to sell on Monday, but that also needs dollar index to start rising, which it hasn't. I am trying to Tabizu, sorry. I do. So I'm gonna go for a meeting. I love you, family. I miss you. I'll try to give you profits going down the line, but today market disagrees with me, so I'm sorry. It is what it is. But until next time, boom. See ya.